Hey, Livy, sing the beautiful song you were just singing.
I'm beautiful, I'm beautiful, I'm beautiful.
Oh, that's a good song. Do it one more time.
I'm beautiful, I'm beautiful.
Did you put that headband on and then start singing that song? You like the headband? Does it make you look beautiful?
I'm beautiful, I'm beautiful. See?
Crazy. Where's that headband supposed to go? Where's that headband supposed to go?
On my hair.
Put it on your head and sing the I'm Beautiful song. You make up some lovely songs, child. Are you a good singer?
No.
Yes, you are. Put that headband on your head so you look beautiful. Not right there. Put it on your head. You're crazy. Be careful. Were you dancing with your leg a minute ago? Break it down. Show me how you dance. Girl.
Sorry, Mommy.
That's okay.
I just get out.
You what?
Oh, no, I'll be.
Do your beautiful dance. Can you do your beautiful dance? Where are you going? How about you hand me your toothbrush before you go anywhere? Thanks, dude. Do your beautiful dance. Shake it down, girlfriend.